Here I have LANDVO Rino4 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So firstly you should open File Manager. You can transfer let's transfer something as from phone storage, like you select any files you prefer. I don't know, let's go to download maybe. So I guess I had some screenshots. Yeah, so let's transfer this screenshot. So to select it, you just hold down your finger on it. You can select multiple screenshots then just by tapping on them one by one. After you selected just at least one. So let's transfer them all. Then you tap on three dots here. No, you tap on this icon here to copy them. Then you go to any folder you like to paste them. So in our case we go to SD card. You can create like a folder with screenshots and just paste it here like this. And now we have these screenshots here on our SD card. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.